Islamic banking?
It is
But I don't know what exactly it is.
Islamic banking. It's different.
एक मिनट, क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
ये शरीयत में सरासर मतलब ये लिखा हुआ है कि सूद लेना और देना दोनों हराम।
It is in the Quran in chapter 2 from 275 to 280 in Surah Baqarah. وَأَحَلَّ اللَّهُ الْبَيْعَ وَيُحَرِّمُ الرِّبَا. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala has made this trade halal for you. It is, you can do the trade, but forbidden for you is the riba, which is interest or usury.
ना हम लोन लेते हैं ना लोन देते।
So there are three types of transactions which we can do under the rulings of the Sharia law. Number one is muzariba, and number two is musharika, which is nowadays practiced in the Islamic Development Bank and other Islamic banks. So what is musharika is, there are two parties. Bank is one party and another person who transacts with the bank is another party. They participate, they are partners with equal shares in the partnership or the enterprise they want to start. So as far as this gains and losses are concerned, in musharika concept, if there is any loss, because both the partners participate in this transaction, both the parties invest. So in musharika, if there is some gain, then it will be divided among the both parties. And in case of loss will be also accommodated on both the parties.
Islamic banking is talk about the collective ownership.
Okay.
Whereas in case of our commercial bank, it does not talk about the collective ownership, but it talks about the creditors and the principal debtor relationship.
Okay.
Now that particular collective owner concept to bringing within the concept of the commercial bank under the banking regulation system have some sort of a constitutional difficulty of that particular statute itself.
Okay.
The bank has now a liberty or ownership on that entire money, and he has a liberty to invest the way a owner can invest.
Okay.
But if you want to bring the concept of Islamic banking here, then in that case that particular concept of joint ownership cannot be assimilated within the framework of the Banking Regulation Act itself.
Okay.
The first of all thing is that the legal frame has to be ready.
Yeah.
Because any banking operation in India requires some sort of a sanction from the central bank. So in the Islamic banking, maybe the outcome may be the similar, but the process is different, which might not get a regulatory sanction from the central bank. So if you look into the risk factor, herein the risk factor is basically a cultural risk factor. It is basically a customary risk factor, and at the same time, as I told you, the regulatory frame which we have, it is not conducive or not known this particular system. So you require to have a entire different regulatory system for these particular purposes.